Hi guys, KP this side. Hope all of you are doing good. Quick summary of markets on 19th April. So guys, if you remember in my last vlog, which was vlog number 67, which I did I think on Monday, Nifty was at its all-time high. It was I think very uh, challenging for somebody to come up and say that markets will go for a correction, and I gave you my justification for that. कि अगर डाउ जोन्स में अराउंड 1800-1900 पॉइंट्स का करेक्शन आया है, देन देर इज़ अ हाई प्रोबेबिलिटी दैट निफ्टी विल ऑल्सो फॉलो इट. निफ्टी का रोज एक नया हाई बन रहा था. निफ्टी वॉज ऑलमोस्ट एट 22,770-75. From there, if you see, there has been a swift fall of around 700-800 points, and I have been telling this to you that कहीं ना कहीं you have to sit on some cash, you have to keep less leverage positions, and we need reasons for such sharp corrections in the market. This time it has been a macro level thing. Iran and Israel situation, definitely we don't want any two countries to go in for a war, but the kind of scenario that is there, probably because in Indian markets were at its all-time high, so they were more vulnerable to fall, and that is why you see this downside which has happened in last couple of days. Abhi today again Gift Nifty is looking very scary, with around a fall of around 350 odd points, because some Iran oil fields have been exploded. The biggest risk which we run when there is a war between nations, especially these countries from Middle East, is the fact that once a situation happens where a war is happening, the crude prices are most sensitive to such situations, and when crude prices will go up, it will just bring a havoc in the economy, as in the inflation will go up. And once inflation goes up, the entire thing starts again, the cycle starts again. If inflation goes up, then the rate cuts are not going to happen. And if rate cuts are not going to happen, then whatever we factored in that June se rate cuts aayega US mein, probably everything gets delayed. That is the biggest risk we are running right now. However, if you ask me guys, good news है. Good news is that I honestly feel अगर आज निफ्टी आपको you get it around 21,700, ठीक है. कुछ खरीदना है या नहीं खरीदना है छोड़ दीजिए, निफ्टी में एंट्री कर लीजिएगा. ओके, रिमेंबर माय वर्ड्स. 22,770 में मैंने आपको बोला था कि पोजीशंस हल्का रखिए. 21,700 अगर मिलता है, आई एम नॉट सेइंग 21,700 इज़ दी मैक्सिमम फॉल दैट इज़ पॉसिबल. यहाँ से और भी गिर सकता है, पर निफ्टी में इफ़ यू डोंट डू FNO, देन गो फॉर SIPs इन निफ्टी. कॉल ऑप्शंस मत खेलिएगा. बट आई ऑनेस्टली फील if you can do some buying, then start doing it at 21,700-750 levels. This is a good entry zone, and large cap stocks definitely can always be considered. They are worth buying. I would like to play safe and stick to large cap stocks rather than going for small cap. में आज कुछ भी करेक्शन आता है, वहाँ पे एक्साइटमेंट में खरीदिएगा मत. वहाँ पे थोड़ा सा अपना इमोशंस को कंट्रोल रखिए, बिकॉज द काइंड ऑफ अपसाइड रैली विच हैज़ हैपेंड इन मिड कैप एंड स्मॉल कैप, यहाँ 7-8-6% का फॉल आने से they still don't create that kind of a buying opportunity. But large cap में क्योंकि इतना upside आया ही नहीं है, so you have better opportunities over there. Okay, so the overall, if you see, TCS and Infosys numbers are not bad. Just that the timing has been bad for their results, because after that the market was never stable. इसलिए reaction थोड़ा negative side पे ज़्यादा दिख रहा है. Even Infosys, people are overreacting. कल ADR down था 7%, but it recovered towards the end. अगर Infosys में भी आपको एक 1300-1325 का range मिलता है, you can definitely consider buying Infosys, because the numbers have not been great, but then that is what was predicted. So they have not disappointed. If you see on a comprehensive, if you see the comprehensive picture. Okay, so long story short, 21,700-750 के बीच में if you get today Nifty, you can start buying into Nifty. अगर आप SIPs करते हैं, म्यूचुअल फंड्स में पैसा आज डाल सकते हैं. And if you want to play with stocks, then go for large cap stocks, mainly stocks like HDFC Bank or Infosys or TCS, if you get good opportunities over here. Chalo, we'll catch up soon. Nothing to be worried about, guys. I personally feel this is just an opportunity being created pre-election results. This is a great opportunity to now start entering into the market. Full-fledged एक बार में buy मत करिएगा. Slowly and steadily you can buy. But this is a good time to restart your journey of investing. Chalo, bye bye guys. Cheers.